Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is MUX week 4, so this is the final video. So this is essentially the reflection of everything we've done this month, and I think I'll kind of start with showing off my app real quick. So here it is. It's pretty much the same as what I've shown you guys in the past. I really haven't changed anything. The map is now better positioned. All this stuff actually works now. You know, it's not amazing or anything, but it actually does respond pretty well. It doesn't post anything, but it's a good shell. So with that said, let me close that real quick. Oh, sorry about that. Alright. So what went well and what didn't go well while building my native app? Well, I've been doing it native for the last few weeks. It's been pretty much native the whole time, so I didn't have problems with that. What I did want to do though this week was convert it all to storyboards and actually make it run entirely. And I didn't get quite there. You know, like I was doing it and I didn't like how it was turning out, and so I just kind of scrapped it, grabbed my project from last week and just redid that. Fixed the problems that were in it and made it nice. So I guess what didn't go well is that, you know, I wasn't able to quite get it to where I wanted it to be. But what did go well is that you know, wasn't super craziness or anything trying to get it there. You know, I'm still pretty happy with how it's turned out. What aspects of my application were best presented as native components? I really think just the navigation works really well as far as native components go. I think most of it would work just as well as a web app, and I probably will actually make this as a web app and not a native app. But the navigation that I set up for it worked really well natively. What aspects of my application were customized to create a unique brand? The icon. This is, so MATE is just an acronym for Music Along the Estrellas. That's the name of the band competition that this is for. And black, gray, and red are the school's colors. They're the Freya High School Owls, band of owls. And so the mountain range in the background is actually the Estrellas, and you know, the red music note is something of that. And you can't really see it because it goes through really fast, but the splash screen also once again has the music along the, it has the Estrellas, has the music note, and it has an owl up here. And then at the bottom it actually says Freya High School proudly presents the Music Along the Estrellas Band Festival. Other than that, I would just say colors kind of represent the brand. Nothing crazy going on here, but it is there. So, oops, sorry about that. So, what aspects of my application integrity were easily translated into Objective-C? The navigation. Definitely the navigation was pretty easy to put in. You already had the, you know, the tables that you could select to get in. Something that I was dissatisfied about, and originally whenever I did this, I used a thing called Interface Builder that helps you convert the stuff, and then I redid some of it. But there are still parts that I needed to pick from its code, from the Interface Builder stuff, and put it into here. And like this card, I couldn't figure out anything short of an actual image that would get that drop shadow on it, and that frustrated me. But you know, it still translated well in the end. I'd say the map didn't translate quite as well as I wanted. I wanted to actually be zoomed in a little more than this, so that it would be like that, and you can't fine-tune it to that degree. So that was kind of disappointing. But sorry that I'm saying the parts that didn't translate well. Other than that, though, I'd say every single aspect has translated well so far. So, how satisfied are you with my experience and performance in this class? I'm pretty satisfied by it. I think I did pretty darn well. I've gotten my stuff in on time, even though this month has been very hectic for me. A lot of last-second planning of trips and whatnot, and trying to learn an entire language within about a week and a half. So it's been very hectic, but I still feel that I've done a good job with it. Something I really would have liked to have done that I didn't do, and this was the main disappointing thing on me not converting it to storyboards. I would have liked this to be a more expansive application already. It does not expand on the iPad. The iPad is, you know, it's like this. It's an iPhone application. And I don't even feel it really looks that great on the iPhone 5 type resolution. That's something where I just couldn't figure out how to set it up entirely. And it's something that actually has kind of disappointed me with Objective-C in general, and that it's not just natively there. It really is not a responsive OS, and that's disappointing. So, you know, but other than that, I was really satisfied with how everything went, and I feel like I kind of have the bones of something that I can build on throughout this year, whenever I have the time to. Anyways, that's my app. That's how I felt, and that's my reflection video. I hope this month went well for all of you guys, and I look forward to having class with you again next month. Have a good night and a good weekend. Bye.